This conference will now.
Good evening.
Hello guys, hi, how are you?
Good,
Good.
good.
Hi, good.
Hi, good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you so much. Yeah,
Hi,
I'm good, thank you
everybody.
so much, guys.
Good evening,
Okay,
everybody.
Hello.
okay. Yeah, yeah. Good evening, guys. Okay, so guys, can you please tell me in the last session where we are in?
We finished the manual testing and now we're all ready for QA automation. Everybody got their
Automation.
installation done.
Okay, okay, everybody is fine.
Sirish, I haven't
So,
received the link to the downloads yet.
just call to the training this department, our sisters, okay? They will help.
Oh, the
Call to
training
your
because
training desk.
yeah, I was trying to get in touch with my own people, but I couldn't get them on the phone. I couldn't get anybody. I sent an email, nobody replied me. So I don't know who else to call.
Okay. Even, okay, let me, one second, one second. Let me message them even.
Yeah, the same. I called, nobody picked up, and I sent an email, and I haven't gotten a response back.
Yeah, me too. So
So it looked like most of the people got it.
Those are different company here. So what happened today? Less people joined. What happened, guys? Shayad, Jahim, Mansoor. What happened? Nadeem, what happened to the remaining people?
Well, my all people is here. Mansoor is there. Shizad is there. Amna is missing. Okay.
Hmm. You
Got some
guys are
sleep.
not there.
Yeah, I'll text her in a minute.
Okay. Okay. Right. So let me start the session. Could you please tell me what do you mean by testing, guys? Testing means what? It is a process in which defects are identified, right or not? We are identifying the defect. We are just grouping all the defects together. We are going to prepare a document that is called defect profile. Okay, so that defect profile we are subjected for rectification to the developer. Means what? Sending it to the developer. Why we are sending it to the developer only, guys?
The rectification.
So developer only rectified, right? He is only having knowledge of coding and everything, right? Okay.
Yep.
So to ensure that the project is defect free and to provide the quality project to client. Okay. So basically there are two ways of testings are there, right or not? Manual and automation. So what do you mean by manual? What do you mean by automation? We will discuss. Manual means what?
Manually perform all the phases.
It is a way of testing. It is a way of testing in which tester will perform all the phases manually. Okay, so like what? Test plan, development, execution, result analysis, bug tracking, reporting, everything we are doing manually, right or not? Everything we are doing manually. Okay, so all the phases of this one we are doing manually, right or not, guys? Okay, so could you please tell me, everybody, you are already go through the manual, right? What are the drawbacks of manual testing, guys? What is the drawback of manual?
Human errors, human error.
Or you don't know what's if anything is wrong.
Tell me. Human errors.
Like human
Next,
errors.
tester mistake we can consider. Yes, of course. Yes. Next. Next. Only human errors. Tell me the drawbacks, some more. Tester mistake, of course. Why? Because tester is also human being, right? Sometimes he is also doing some mistakes. That is correct only. What is the major thing? You did not find anything? Guys, try that.
Software issue.
Uh-huh. Software issue in the sense?
Like you're not 100% sure what the exactly the issue is, because you're just doing the you're not doing the physical testing, you're just doing viewing. So by viewing you cannot be 100% sure what is wrong.
Of course, we are
FS.
performing actions also, no? We're entering valid data, we're entering invalid data. We are doing both actually.
And also
Okay,
it
for the
takes so
title
much
like this,
time
you are
too. It takes so much time.
very good, Mansur. It takes a lot of time. Very good, perfect. It's time consuming. Okay, very good. I have 2 points. Okay, you told me 2 points. Time consuming one. Another one is tester mistake. Tester is also doing some mistake. Yeah, some more. These are the only drawbacks you're having. Hmm? No idea, guys? Don't worry. If you don't know, tell me. Okay, I will rectify it. Don't be silent. So just try it little. In the types of testing also, we discussed some drawbacks.
Yeah, please educate us more. We don't know.
Hmm. Don't worry. Anyway, I will let you know. But why I am explaining you is just you can think about it. No, that is the reason. So right, observe. First one is, as you said, guys. Yeah, that is perfect. What is that? Time consuming. As a manual we are doing, no, it take lot of time. Okay, time consuming for sure. Second one is what? Tester mistake. Okay, and the third one is one of the main thing is regression testing. Once we got the new build, we need to re-execute all the test cases on a new build. So every time once we got the new build, we need to re-execute all the test cases. It's a tricky process, right or not? Okay, so once we got the new build, every time we need to re-execute all the test cases again on the new build. It's a tricky process, right? So they introduced automation. What do you mean by automation? And one more thing, one more issue is more number of people are required. So we are doing it manually, right or not? So more number of people are required. Got it? More number of people are required. So these are the drawback of these ones. Got it? So they introduced automation. What do you mean by automation, guys?
I guess to make sure, like whatever we're doing, we're meeting all the requirements.
Automation means what? Simply we can say it as a all the drawbacks of manual testing is addressed properly and increase the speed of existing testing process. Okay, increase the speed of existing testing process, or in other words we can say it as a we are going to test the application by generating some script. Okay, we are going to test the application by generating some scripts. Right, suppose. So we are going to test the application by generating some scripts, right? So we are having some drawbacks for the automation also. Okay, so what are the drawbacks for this automation? Tools are expensive, guys. Okay, if you want to work with this one, QTP, you have to purchase license from the HP company. It's a cost effective. Tools are expensive and you cannot automate all the areas. 100% automation is impossible. You cannot automate all the areas. Okay, so you cannot automate all the areas. Okay, next, so you cannot automate all the areas. Are you clear? Okay. Right. So tools are expensive and you cannot 100% automation is impossible. Okay, 100% automation is impossible. So these are all how the work will be processed. Now they're introduced automation, right? So let's discuss about automation testing tool called QTP. QTP stands for Quick Test Professional. Okay, QTP stands for Quick Test Professional. So observe, initially it is developed by Mercury Interactive Incorporation. Now it is taken over by the HP company. Now it is taken over by the HP company. Okay, and a type of tool, it's a functional testing tool. Okay, it's a functional testing tool. So type of tool, it's a functional testing tool. Okay. So it's a functional testing tool. Scripting language, Visual Basic Script, VB script we are using. Okay, Visual Basic Script, VB script we are using. Okay, so this is how the work will be processed. QTP supports all available basic technology based projects like Java, okay, .NET, HP, but company need to purchase license from HP company. Okay, company need to purchase license from HP company. So it need to purchase license from HP company, right or not? Company need to purchase license from HP company. Why? Because that's what I told you, right? So if you want to work with all this technology, you have to purchase license from HP company. It's a licensed tool. Okay. So next, let's discuss about add-in manager. Okay. So it's a feature provided by the QTP and it is used to check the license related information. It is used to check the license related information. Okay. So, for example, it is used to check the license related information. For example, you can see here. If you want to test the Java technology based project, company has to purchase license from HP company. If it is a Visual Basic technology, no need to get the license. Why? Because the tool itself developed with VB script. No. Okay. So if you want to work with this, you need to purchase license. Why? Because by default, the tool itself developed with VB script. So VB script is by default licensed. Okay. By default is licensed. Okay. So that is what about. Now you can see here. I have QTP of parts. First of all, how we can able to open the QTP, I will let you know, guys. Okay. How we can able to open the QTP, I will let you know. Can you hear me, right? Now. So if you are training these people will install you means here in the desktop they will install you like Oracle Virtual Box. Okay. So you just double click over there. Here it is. Start. It says. Okay. You can see here. Start. Right, guys. Everybody, click on that start button. Click on the start button. You can see it will be opening. Right. You can see here. Okay. Usually it is not displaying. So yeah, like this desktop is coming up. Okay. Not exactly. I have too many folders are there. Just ignore. So like desktop is coming up here. Qt Pro. Okay. Quick test professional. Qt Pro is available. Got it. Let me open that one. Qt Pro means quick test professional. Okay. Sandy నెలమను తొందరగా శాండీ నెలమను తని లేక కొంచెం వేస్తాను శాండీ నెలమను తని లేక. So you can see here, this is what about. So let's discuss about these parts. Okay. So let's see here QTP of parts. So QTP of parts. Okay. You can see here basically there are 4 parts of QTP. Okay. Basically there are 4 parts of QTP. Okay. So test pane, active screen, data table, and tool option. Okay, test pane, active screen, data table, and tool option. Okay, what do you mean by this test pane, data table, everything means? You can see here. I will show it to you. A white color screen is there, no? This is called pane. Test pane. Pane means area. Okay. Test pane is an area provided by the no. So test pane is an area provided by the QTP. It is divided into two parts. Test pane is an area provided by the QTP. It is divided into two parts. Like what? Expert view and keyword view. You can see here expert view and keyword view. Okay. So what is this expert view? What is this keyword view? We are going to discuss right now. Let's see here. Test pane is an area provided by the QTP and it is divided into expert view and keyword view, right? So what is expert view means? You can see here. I open the application, hit the record button. Once I hit the record button, whatever the actions you are performing, see, I just entered Sirisha in the agent name, right? So if I click on this one, you can see that related, even though if I am moving, that is also generated script. That agent name information is stored, right? I just entered Mercury in the password box, click on OK button. What actions we are performing, that related script is generated automatically, right or not? Okay. That script is generated automatically. You can see here when I'm going to close this one, that is also coming, then stop the recording. So whatever the actions we are performing on the application, that related script is, that related VB script is generated automatically. Got it?
Salisha, can you just repeat? How did you get to that flight testing screen?
Fight this application, nah?
But we don't
This
have that
application,
application.
yes, you are also having it. Okay, so guys, I will guide you. Just see here how means, go to start in your application, go to start, all programs. Okay, so after that quick test professional is there, right? Under that sample application, flight application is there. Don't click this one. When you click, it will be opening. That's it. Okay, so double click here. You just not double click, right click, send it to.
Hold on to this screen, please.
Can you please take a screenshot, everybody? Take a screenshot, everybody.
Okay, got it.
Why? Because once you see, guys, once you install, you need to do this one. Okay. So please go ahead. Did you take the screenshot of this one? Oh, once the QTP is installed, guys, you just go to this path and find the flight application in the desktop. Okay. Right. Are you done? Did you take a screenshot or you just take a photo, anything? Right. So if I want to, so in this point of time, whatever the actions we are performing on the application, that related script is generated. Okay, that related script is generated. Okay, so now this is what expert view. In this, you can develop the VB script, and if you want, you can delete the VB script, and you can edit the VB script also. If you want, you can edit it like this. Edit the VB script. Okay, you can delete the VB script and you can edit the VB script. Okay, now so you can delete the VB script and you can edit the VB script. Got it? Right. This is what expert show. You can delete it, you can edit it, right? That's what I said. In this, we can develop the VB script, we can delete the VB script, and we can edit the VB script. Okay. Next.
So I'm sorry, sir. So I don't know if it's only me or everyone. When I open the Quick T Professional and then open the flight, it did not auto generate the script for me the way it did it for you.
Yeah, same
You
problem
have
with
to
me.
hit the record button, guys.
Yeah, I did. We
Yes,
did.
Okay.
even after record button did not work.
Yes.
Okay. Whose system?
So
Who is
it's
having problem?
Mohammed
Muhammad and
Mohammed Zia
Nadim also, na?
Nadeem also. Yep. So I am in the screen
Okay.
expert view, right?
See, okay. Nadim, can I give control? Muhammad, can I give controls to you? Please share your screen. Are you
I
in
am on
phone?
the phone. Yeah,
Then it's not possible. What about Nadim? If you connected
Yes.
to the system, at least I can give you
You
a
have to
chance.
give me a few minutes because what happened, I'm logged into the laptop, but they installed the QTP on my desktop, so I have to log into the desktop to share my screen. So if you give me a few seconds, I can log in to the desktop and share my computer. Just give me a few seconds.
Sure. Okay. So meanwhile, I will continue. You can see here we will develop the VB script. We can edit it and we can delete it. Okay. So next, please observe. So next, keyword view. It will represent the script in the form of image or picture presentation. Okay, it will represent the script in the form of image or picture representation. Got it, guys? Okay, so it will represent the script in the form of image or picture presentation. Okay, next, it will represent the script in the form of image or picture presentation. So keyword view means what? It represents script in the form of documentation format. Let's see. For example, this is VB script, right? So you don't know what is this VB script, right? What is this VB script? So what you are doing here? So what you are doing here? See, observe. Just place the cursor. Click on keyword view. It will represent the script in the form of documentation format. Okay, documentation format or GUI format. It will represent the script in the form of documentation format or GUI format. Okay. So, like for example, here enter Sirisha in the agent name 8 box. Clearly they mention, right or not? Okay, they mention clearly. Next, enter Sirisha in the agent name 8 box. For example, I'm unable to understand this line. Just click on this one. So click enter Mercury in the password edit box. Okay, enter Mercury in the password edit box. Got it? So, for example, just place the cursor here. You can see here keyword view. Right click the OK button, like that. It will represent the script in the form of image or picture presentation. Got it? It will represent the script in the form of image or
Yeah, can you hear me?
picture. Echo is, I can hear you.
Can you
No
hear
echo
me?
is there. Yeah, I can hear you. Nadeem?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Nadeem. Nadeem, I just gave you presenter access. Please share your screen. Did you get the presenter access, Nadeem? Hello.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so here is the screen. So
Mm,
if I let me go to the where is it? The right here and recording right here. If I click recording, see the script did not auto generate.
Now open the login and type something. You should. Yeah, now type something.
Yeah,
enter script. Whatever the actions you're performing, that related script is generated. Just enter agent name.
no,
Uh, can you give me access?
sure.
In the bottom, remote control is there. No, Sirisha, my name is there. Check this
Yeah, go
checkbox.
ahead. Sarisha, yes, you have it now.
Okay. So first go to the automation. It's very tiny screen.
I made it bigger. Okay, one second. Maybe see if I can make it more bigger.
No, no, no. It's not your side. Like the go-to meeting itself, it sees like that.
Okay.
Let me click on toggle full screen.
Because the way I saw you just click on recording, it auto generate the script for you. So when I did that, it didn't. So I knew something was wrong.
I can't enter. I think
So let me let
I'm
me let
trying
me
to
let me, let
access
me
it,
enter
but
for
I
you. What
can't
do you want me to enter? I can do it for you.
enter.
So maybe it will be fast for me. What do you want me to enter?
Okay. First of all, go to the automation. First of all, in the options is there. Stop it.
Okay.
Stop the recording.
Okay. Okay.
Stop the recording.
Okay. It did. Recording has been stopped. I click on the
No,
stop and it's a stop.
for me it's not.
Maybe it's a little
Okay.
delayed, but it's
So
stopped.
go to the auto. Okay, go to the automation.
You mean the flight icon, right?
Not the flight icon. In the here it is displaying like a file options are there in the Qt Pro
Okay.
quick test
Okay.
automation.
Okay. I
So
click on
after
the
that,
automation.
go to automation. Automation.
Okay.
Click on recording and run setting.
Okay.
Did you click the recording and run settings?
Yes. Yeah, same thing. Not it didn't
I
generate.
can't see actually.
See, you can see that it's still, I have to stop it now. It's gonna take
I have the
30 seconds.
same. I have same issue. So it's not recording. I try both way.
Do you have any desk, guys? Nadeem, do you have any desk?
A desk mean the desktop or laptop?
I
The
can't
desk.
control your screen like
No,
this.
just like TeamViewer, any
No,
desk
no, no, no.
you have
Any
to
desk
download.
software, yeah, like TeamViewer,
Yeah, you
any
need to
desk.
download.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I do have a team viewer. You want to see the team viewer? Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me bring it. Let me bring the team viewer.
Just install any desk. It will be good, guys.
Okay. I have a team viewer ready if you want.
So Sarisha, it worked for me though.
Let me see. I have. Yeah, it will be actually. It will work actually.
So Zia, it
So
worked for you?
yes, Nadeem, it worked for me. Uh, so Nadeem,
Yeah, how it worked for you?
so so when you go to automation and record,
See, guys.
Uh-huh. Yeah, go ahead.
it
Keep
they,
saying.
they, it open another window for me before I start any process.
So I did the same thing. I click on the
What is the window message? Can you tell me? Read the message for me
So
because I am there
if
too.
you go into run in automation, go on the top menu automation. You go into automation top menu.
okay. You can see that
Uh,
is
yeah, come to record and run setting. Do you see any record and run setting?
is grayed out right now. Maybe I have to stop first. So let me
Yes,
stop
if
it.
Yeah.
Okay,
stop
Yeah, I
hold on.
think so.
recording, go to automation,
Okay.
record and run setting.
See, you can see that. You can see my screen, right?
No,
Right now.
scroll. Yes, scroll down.
Okay.
Yes, go to the record and run setting.
Okay.
Go to window application.
Okay.
You select the first radio button, the first one.
Okay. Apply.
Hit OK. Yeah, apply and OK.
And
Now
now,
start recording
okay. And
and go
open the,
now open the flight
okay.
and start generating the code
Oh,
now.
there you go, man. Why are you taking this class? You're a genius. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Sharisha is working now. Okay. Oh, how did you find out? Sharisha, are you still there? Okay. So Zahid, did it work for you?
Um, I'm still trying. I'm still trying. I
Very
think
easy.
what
Go.
Zia
Okay,
said.
look at my
Yeah,
screen. If you look at
yeah. I
my
saw that.
screen.
I saw that. I saw that. I can do it now. I'm just trying to log back in. I got it.
Okay. So whoever need help, just look at my screen, click on the automation, record and run setting, and click on the window, and then the very first button. Wow. Okay. If you click apply, the next time you open, it automatically open with this setting. But if you just click OK, the next time you have to do the same thing.
So under
Right?
window, what do you click on?
Apply and then OK. You click on apply. Before you click on apply, you click on the window application and the very first button, record and run test.
Okay, and then
Can you
this,
can you start can you start can you start from beginning because
and then
Okay,
you guys can
okay. Let me
still.
start. Let me start in beginning. Let me close this. Let me close this. Okay, you open the Qt Pro Professional. Once the Qt Pro app start, you go to Start, All Program. Then you go to the Qt Test Professional, and then you select on the sample and application, and you click on the flight. Once you click on the flight, you go ahead and click recording right here. I know it's delay, so I'm going to click after 5 seconds later. I'm giving time itself. So, okay, recording right here. When you click on recording, you click
Yes,
OK.
you have to open the
Okay, once you click OK, then go ahead and click the login, the flight login thing. You see the script is behind the scene, automatically generating. And when you type my name and I click OK, it's automatically generating. So Sarisha, yeah, it worked. Thank you so much.
Yes, it will actually.
Okay, so
Okay,
I'm
I
good.
just shared my screen.
Okay, so should I unshare? Okay, good.
Okay. So check it out, guys. Help your friends also, Nadim, after that also if you have any issues. Okay.
Yeah, I think
Right.
I show everyone step by step, so I think they
Okay.
all
So
should be good.
guys,
Mohammed, right? Is that Mohammed?
It's okay. You can call
huh?
Mohammed, no problem. Yeah, what happened?
Yeah, Mohammed, please. Is it possible that I have your number? In case if I need your help, please. Because I'm kind of.
Nadeem, give
Is it
your number.
possible? You said what?
No, it's okay. You need help, you can stay on the meeting a little bit longer, and we can help you out. Tomorrow,
Okay.
tomorrow you
Okay.
start a little bit earlier, like maybe 10 minutes, and I can show you
Uh huh.
exactly how to log in. 10 minutes, I will
Okay.
log in for you only. I will log in 10 minutes earlier tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. That'd be nice. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Thank you.
7:46 అయింది
అప్పుడే 7:46 అట్లా అయింది.
ఫాస్ట్ టిఫిన్ తెచ్చుకో పిల్లలు. So you can see here. So now let's see here. So expert గబగబా పిలిచండి. So in this we can develop the VB script, right? Earlier I explained you, right? We can develop the VB script, right? Okay. Okay, so next keyword view, it will represent the script in the form of image or picture presentation, guys, right? So actually when you click this one, expert view means what? Let's discuss about expert view, right? So expert view means what? It will represent this. In this we can develop the VB script, we can edit the VB script, right? I told you already, we can develop it, we can edit it, and we can delete it, right? So keyword view means what? It will represent the script in the form of documentation, guys. Means for example, this is a VB script, I'm unable to understand this line, right? So just place the cursor, click on keyword view. So what we done, it's clearly mentioned, right or not? Okay, so please observe, it will represent the script in the form of documentation, right? Enter Sirisha in the agent name edit box, right? Clear documentation format. displaying. Okay, for example, so I just want to understand this line. Okay, so click on keyword, you enter Mercury in the password box. Okay, so like that it will represent the script in the form of, it will represent the script in the form of keyword view means what? Documentation format. Enter Mercury in the password book. Clearly mentioned. See, I am not writing this one, guys. Don't treat me that I am writing it. Okay. Right? I am not writing. Okay. So this is what about. Right. So let's see here. Okay. So let's see here. It will represent the script in the form of major documentation format. Right. Next, active screen. It will represent the script in the form of image or picture presentation. What do you mean by how to view the active screen, guys? You can see here, go to view. I want to view the active screen. How means go to view active screen. Okay, go to view active screen. What do you mean by this? It will represent the script in the form of image format. Okay, image or picture representation.
So Salish, I have a quick question. So while
Tell
you are
me.
showing this, when we look at the keyword view and when we go to the expert view, like what's the difference? I know you just told us the keyword is showing you as a documentation and the expert showing script wise. That's the only difference.
Keyword you displaying documentation wise.
Hmm.
Tell me your question. I'm
And the
trying to
expert.
understand.
So expert, what's the difference? The keyword
Expert
view and the expert view.
expert view means you can generate maybe script. You can delete it. You can edit it. You can do that. Okay. But keyword view means what? What is this script line? Keyword view means what? What is this script? I'm trying to understand what is this script actually, right?
Mhm.
For example, this is VB script. I'm unable to understand this line. What is this line? We are trying to enter agent name. That you can understand by using keyword. You enter Siddhisha in the agent name box, right or not?
So it's a better way to understand. Okay, so it's more clear on the keyword telling you exactly what action you are taking, why it
What
generated this.
action we are doing? Yes, what action we are performing on the application. In the keyword view, it will represent in the documentation format. When it
I,
comes with the active screen means what is the picture representation they are doing. What is this line belongs to? When I place the cursor with the pink line, it is highlighted. Means we are trying to enter Siddhisha, right? When I place the cursor here with the pink line, after entering agent name, it is trying to enter password. With the pink line, it is highlighting. No, like it's a picture representation it is displaying, right? Okay.
yes, makes sense.
It's
Thanks.
a picture representation it is displayed. No. Right. Next. Next. Okay, it will represent the script in the form of image or picture representation. Next, data table. So it is used to hold the test data. We're having some set of data is there, right? So in the data table, you can able to handle the test data, okay, which we are using to test the application. How to view means you can see go to view data table. So we are going to pass the data here. In future, we will discuss, guys, how we are going to pass the data. Okay, how we are going to send this data from this data table to the script line. In further session, we will discuss. Okay, right?
Yep, sounds good.
Suresh, since I still don't have the download link yet,
Uh, who is
is there a
asking?
way you could? This is Everest speaking. Sorry.
Yeah, I already messaged to your training desk, guys. I already messaged.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
From my
All right.
end,
I'll
I
try to call
messaged.
him again tomorrow.
Yeah, you are also please try to call them. Okay. From my end, I already in the starting of the session you told me no. Starting of the session itself.
See, because what happened if one of us going to send the Everest the link is not going to work because someone has to go into his system and install it. So giving him a link is not really help.
Hmm?
Someone we cannot just send him a link and he can install. Someone from his team or his coordinator has to go
Oh,
into his system and install.
yes, yes. They need to come and install it. It's a different process actually.
Okay.
Um,
No problem. I'll wait. I'll try to send him a message to answer. Suresh, since you say you already sent him a message, I'll wait for that and I'll try again tomorrow.
okay, sure, sure. Okay. So now let's see here. Tools option. Data table means I show you already. It is used to hold the test data, right? So tool. All menu options in QTP is used. Okay. All menu options in QTP is used. Okay. So let's see here. All menu options in QTP is used, right? So this is what about. Next, let's discuss simple information about recording and run settings, guys. So yeah, I think time is up actually. So try to install software, guys, and try to practice basic things. Okay, like how to open, how to record, all this stuff. Okay, if you're perfect with some familiar, and we'll go to the recording and run settings. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So yeah, thank you so much. We'll meet back tomorrow at same time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.